Well, here we go again, back on the first bus going to Hitchin. This is the first leg of the trip. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Went through security. Took a little bit longer than usual because they pulled my bag out to do another search. The thing I like about Luton is that they do allow you to put everything in your bag. Some airports, they want to take things out of your bag and do a search that way, but everything in your pockets all has to go in your bag and then they scan it from there. But as I said, it was a little bit longer. Probably took about 15 minutes to get through security due to the fact that they wanted to do a double check on my bag. So not too bad, just about 15 minutes extra. So I'm going to make a swift exit out of duty free. I don't really require anything there. I've been here before. I'm not going to show you much of it because I've done all that on previous videos. But I'm going to just go straight and have something to eat. Probably going to go into Burger King. Nothing special, just an egg and bacon roll or something like that. When I came in this morning, I thought I'd better check my bag. It's right on the mattress. It's quite a new one I've got. Well, I'll say it's quite new. It is very new. And I thought I'd just try that in the bag size little box of EasyJet to see if it would fit, and it went in there okay. So no problems there. Quite happy with that. I was a little bit concerned because I did sort of like squeeze quite a lot in there, but it seemed to fit okay, so that's fine. So I'm just going to make my way through departures up to where the gates are and get myself something to eat. Just going to pop into Burger King, as I said, and just get myself an egg and bacon roll. Okay, well, I've just come out of Burger King. Didn't want to show you that. You don't really need to see me eating a burger. Well, it wasn't a burger, it was just an egg and bacon roll, but you don't really need to see that. So now it's just about an hour's wait until I actually get called up for the flight. And then I'll know exactly what gate to go to, and I'll see you then. One thing I did notice, or one thing I haven't noticed, to be honest with you, is the amount of other vloggers that are around. I haven't seen anybody. I've only just started doing this, as you know, but for the last two trips and this one, I'm looking around now and I can't see anybody else with a camera. So there doesn't appear to be anybody doing vlogging today, apart from myself. So if that's a good thing or not, I don't know. Looking at the gate numbers, it goes from 1 to 17 and 20 to 28. I think I went last time 1 to 17 and I think it was around about number 3, so I didn't have to walk very far. Let's hope I don't have to do the same today. If you have to go right down to number 17 or 28, whichever one it is, right down the other end, then you'll find that it's going to take quite a while to get through or get down there. So is it busy? Well, I don't know. I don't think it is. It's not any more busy than it was any other time I come here. Obviously there's got to be planes going out every 10 minutes, so they've all got to go on those flights somewhere. But yeah, it's not too bad. Trouble is with this airport, and as you probably realise by now, I do like my cakes, and they do have quite a nice variety in Luton Airport. The Lego shop, I would have loved shops like this when I was a child, but there wasn't really that many available then. Just had a few sets and things like that when I was a child, so Lego wasn't really the thing in those days. Oh, I didn't realise they had some more gates up here, so that's gates 30 to 43. Okay, we've just had the call for the Tenerife flight, and that's at gate number 10, so that's where I'm off to now. It's a bit busy up this end, going for gate number 16. Lucky I'm not going on that one.
We are trying to go back here. Bloody hell, eh? Grey Goose is half the way.
Whether you're looking for a city break or a beach holiday, we do have thousands of hand-picked hotels.